This is my favorite holy grail mascara. See how in the beginning of the video I was really upset, but shopping does help. It cures depression, I think. So first what I'm gonna do is Sephora. I really don't want my nails to come off. I did Gel X nails for the first time that they've all stayed on. It's like a cute milky pink. It is almost my birthday, so I was kind of, you know, getting this for my birthday. Oh, they just kind of threw it all in here. The first thing that I'm actually so excited about, I had this for a year. It's the Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore Tight Toner. I hate that name. Mostly just been using it in the morning because, you know, it is expensive and I don't have it like that where I'm gonna be putting it on in the morning and at night. It has hyaluronic acid, cactus water, and willow bark. And we all know what willow bark does. I don't know, I'm not sure what that is. Let's just open it up. YouTuber hand. Oh my god, it kind of matches my nails. One thing I will say, Shroomy did unfortunately chew the top of it. So I am kind of excited to switch it out for this one. If you've seen any of my other videos, I always have like my little things over here. Then the second is a repurchase from Say. It's the Glowy Super Gel Dewy Illuminating Fluid. That can't be the name of it. I got it in the color Star Glow. I've had it before, I really like it. This was just a repurchase. It actually smells so good too. It's just beautiful. I put it on when I'm like first doing my makeup. I do notice a difference in my skin. It looks like more dewy. I guess that would be the dewy illuminating fluid doing its job. Super cute, I'm very excited. You know, this shit is expensive. Makeup is expensive. It's kind of ridiculous. I did just kind of want to treat myself, so I did get, I think this is like the smallest size. I don't know why I'm doing that YouTuber hand. Is the smaller version. So I'm really excited because I do think it really works. It helps like my eyeshadow not crease. I don't really wear a lot of eyeshadow, mostly because it does crease and like, I don't know, it's just kind of a lot of work usually. Next, oh my god, I forgot that I got this. Okay, we'll do that one last. And then I also got the Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush from Rare Beauty. I got it in the color Hope. Last time I got it, I got a small size and I just finished it. It's kind of similar as the Glow Recipe where it lasts a while. I decided to invest in the full size. I mean, I just really like it and I love that she like donates a percentage to mental health awareness. So the one that I have is Dry and Bare. So I am really excited to try this. Then the last item I got from Sephora, I actually completely forgot that I got this. It is the It's the K-Ali Vanilla Parfum. And it has Tonka Absolute, Vanilla Orchid, Brown Sugar, Amber Woods, and Musk. So this was like going kind of crazy viral for a little bit. It's kind of like more on the expensive side and I never have smelled this, so I did not want to get a full size. If you had seen one of my previous videos that I made, I really wanted to come up with like a signature scent. Like I wanted a signature scent for myself. I do want to get a new scent because I'm transitioning from my Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium. Have drained her. I'm trying to transition into a warmer, sweeter kind of scent. At the time, like I just did not have the money, I didn't have the means, like perfume was not like high on my necessary list, if you know what I mean. But I finally have saved up a little bit of money and I was like, you know what, like I deserve it. It's almost my birthday. Okay, let's open it. Oh my gosh, this looks so cute. So cute. Let me pretend like this is still closed. I'm so excited. Moment of silence. RIP my shimmer glow from Ulta, the Brazilian body shimmer that I've been using. Yeah, this is it. This is it. Holy, okay, wow. Wow. It reminds me a lot of the Philosophy scent that I love too. I was gonna get it, but had that scent like a bit ago and I wanted to try something kind of different. That is everything from Sephora. See how in the beginning of the video I was really upset, but shopping does help. It cures depression, I think, so. Oh, and then they also gave me samples. Well, I mean, I'm actually surprised. I literally picked these out. But it is Honey Halo Pharmacy Ultra Hydrating Moisturizer, which is great because I just ran out of moisturizer. I also wanted to try the Fenty Pro Filter Foundation because I love Rihanna. It's like a bunch of different shades. And then let's move on into my Ulta box. I'm really excited because this was the one that I kind of like went all out on, if you know what I mean. Wow, this is like not aesthetically pleasing whatsoever.
One eternity later.
The first thing I got, this is actually a new purchase. It is Juvia's Place, and I would have gotten another item from Juvia's Place, but I didn't know that Sephora actually doesn't carry it. I do prefer to buy from Black-owned brands if I can, especially like women-owned, Black-owned, like either one. I'm always gonna prefer to go with that brand. I got the Juvia Bronze Cream Bronzer, and I actually have their powder bronzer, and I really like it. I also just love like the design. I think it's so beautiful. Cute. This is the buttercream color. I don't know why the fuck I just smelled that. So it is just that. I'm really excited because I love a good cream bronzer, and I've been using my dual stick from NYX, and that had just gotten to the end of its days. So I wanted to try something new, so I went with this. Yay! I can still smell the perfume. Like, it's so sexy. Like, I feel like you know, ready to throw it back. Going onward, this is from e.l.f. It's their Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. This is a repurchase. I got it in taupe this time. I don't know what color. I think I got like light brown last time because I went through a phase where my eyebrows were like dark as hell. My hair was really blonde and it was bad. It was just bad. My eyebrows have never looked great, so this is me trying to like not have eyebrow blindness and make them like a normal looking color. I'm not gonna open it just because like it's not that interesting. This is my favorite holy grail mascara. I tell everyone this. This is what makes your eyelashes go from like pretty good to amazing. And I won't lie, I do have pretty long eyelashes. I have no mascara, so this is what we're working with. But even if you don't, whenever I use this, it's just so much better. It is a bit of an investment, but I swear by even just this picture, like it's so for real. It just looks like this, shiny. The one thing I would say I haven't had is eyelash blindness, so you can trust me. Moving on to like what I'm the most probably excited about. Going back to what I said previously, I had really been wanting to like find my scent. Like I wanted something that smells like me, that's like, you know, my scent. My last scent was Black Opium by YSL. I ran her dry. There is not a drop. It's time to phase this one out. Thank you for your service. And I have the KLE one. I finally splurged. Oh my god, this is huge. God, I'm so excited. So I've been a long time fan of Billie Eilish. People say that and I'm like, oh, so you know 7 Feet Under. They're like, oh, I don't know what that one is. Anything from her first, like her debut album. If you don't know it, you are not a real fan. Get to the back because you're a new age fan. I'm an OG, like from Where Are All the Avocados. Anyways, she just launched her 3rd fragrance, so I decided why not get the first one. None of this is aesthetic. You had an option to get this size or a little smaller size, and I was like, okay, if I can upgrade for 15 extra bucks, like I know I'm gonna like it because like I love her, but I have never smelled this. I really don't actually know what I'm getting. I hadn't smelled the eilish one either. So far, it has not disappointed. I saw a lot of people say that this like stays on them all day, and that's what I'm looking for. Just iconic. I love it. Okay, I can't quite smell it, so I think I am just gonna spray it. Ooh. Okay, it's a little different than I anticipated. It's a little muskier, I think, than I anticipated. I really like it. I think together, that's a really good pairing. Wish I knew more about fragrances so I could like actually describe this well, but here we are. Okay, very excited about that. Okay, next, these are my favorite lashes. I just found them, I guess they're new, and they were on sale actually. They're the new Natural Effortless Minimal Look. It's a half lash, and they look so good. I think it's really easy to make them look pretty natural, which is awesome. That's like what I'm looking for usually. Then this is another repurchase. This has been my mascara for as long as I could remember. It's the Lash Sensational Luscious mascara. And then lastly, I repurchased the e.l.f. Skin. It's the Whoa Glow sunscreen, and this is just like beautiful. My friend put me on and it just like has changed my life. And then this is a repurchase. Amazing. This is my go-to foundation. This might be a little dark, but wait, what the I got a Fenty highlighter that I don't see. Oh, I'm so confused. I've never gotten anything from Fenty, so I was like, oh my gosh, I should try.